Everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to explain how to implement financial advisor using Agentic AI. So before I go with my use case, let me explain what Agentic AI in simple terms. Agentic AI is like a team of AI components or experts, each with specific skill. These agents work together, share information, help each other to solve complex tasks. Instead of one AI doing everything, each agent handles a part. So in this demo, I'm going to show you how the solution using Agentic AI framework to make decisions about investing in stock market. So what we generally do for buying a stock, we generally check for the financial related data of that particular stock and search for the related news of that stock, like find whether it is good to buy or not, and then we will buy the stock. It's like kind of time consuming and overwhelming process. So to avoid this, I have created the financial advisor with the three agents: supervisor agent, financial agent, and news agent. The financial agent will give you all the financial metric data of that particular stock, and news agent will provide the sentiment, top related news of that particular stock, and also provides the sentiment. I mean, like gives you the positive news as well as the negative news and the neutral news. Uh, Everything, the data which is provided by the financial and the news agent will be called by the supervisor agent, and the supervisor agent will analyze those data, and if it requires any additional information, or if it will do a follow up to both of the agents, and then uh, gets retrieves the data again from the financial or the news agent if required. It will analyze then the data which it got, and the supervisor agent will make a decision, and it will provide the decision to the user. So let's head to the Google Colab and show you. So for this to run, or for this to implement, we need to install the required libraries. Y Finance is used for getting all the financial metric data from Yahoo Finance, and the News API Python is used to get the top related news of that particular stock, and from all the news articles. LangChain Core, LangChain Grok, and Grok, these are the LangChain framework. I'm using the Grok for the sentiment analysis and giving the recommendation. And as we are using Grok and News APIs, we have to set up the API keys and I have stored them in the secret manager, and let me run it. So now let's go to the code. See here in the financial agent, it's retrieving all the financial metric data like P/E ratio, market cap, PS ratio, dividend yield, debt to equity, earnings per share, etc. So it will not make any analysis. It just retrieves the data of period of 1 year. It gets all the history of that particular stock which we asked for. And the news agent, it will provide the it will focus on the sentiment, and will provide the negative news as well as the positive news related to that particular stock, or of the company. And finally, the supervisor agent, it calls the financial agent and news agent for getting the data related to that particular stock, and it will analyze if in case, uh, say suppose the for news, if it get all the complete positive news, then it will follow up for the negative ones also. If it is like if the news agent has provided the complete negative news, then the supervisor agent will follow up for positive news also. And like the same for the financial agent, if it misses any financial metrics, it will make a follow up request to provide the complete data. So here I'm asking for a Tesla stock. Let me execute the code and see. See, as you can see, first the supervisor agent has made a request for the financial agent and the news agent. The financial agent has retrieved all the financial metric data, and news agent it gave the sentiment totally negative. So that's the reason supervisor agent made a follow-up request, as like the initial news sentiment is negative. It has asked for the positive aspects also. So after analyzing, it recommended like not to buy, no strong buy recommendation at this time. Let me change with other stock, like say Microsoft. So first, the financial agent has given the financial metric data, and news agent it gave the sentiment complete of positive, and so the supervisor agent made a follow-up request for a negative aspects also, and yeah, it recommended like not to buy at this time. So like yeah, that's it. Hope you find this video helpful and informative. Please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.